Here I have XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here all you need to do is to just swipe shutter button left or right, however you want, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. I'll just swipe it, and as you can see it took like 20 shots. Oh no, it only took 5, but as you can see this is like the moving shot, which is basically just a burst shot. Just swipe, and after that it starts to take a burst shot. Oh, now we have 20 shots here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.